lovely, lovely human beings. I'm Allie from Fifth Harmony.
It's your girl, Navani Corday.
Hey guys, I'm Dinah Jim.
Hey, this is Lauren. Hi, I'm Kayla from Fifth Harmony. You're watching 17 Magazine.
Today I'm going to tell you my 5 summer must-haves. Neon. I will say neon because neon is so bright and it stands out, and summertime it's very colorful.
Water. I mean, I guess that's any season, but especially summer.
I gotta have a hat so I can protect my face from the sun.
High-waisted shorts because they're just like perfect to put on with your bathing suit and you don't have to put like a top or anything on it.
I love popsicles. I have to have them like literally every, I'd say, 30 minutes. I go through a box like that quick, so I think that that's where the majority of my summer money goes.
Ice. It's just like another form of water, but it's especially good for summer because in the winter you're cold, so you don't need ice.
I need sunscreen because I'm a very white human being and I burn if I am out in the sun with no sort of protection.
Watermelon's really good.
Lay's chips, because when you go to the beach you need chips to snack on and stuff.
Sunglasses.
Flip-flops.
Ice cream, y'all. You know I love sweets, so ice cream for sure, yes.
Fourth would be a book to read so that while I'm tanning I can, you know, be a little distracted by the fact that I'm getting burned by the sun.
It's definitely a boombox. You gotta have a boombox everywhere you go. You go to the grocery store, have a boombox. Go to the beach, go to the mall, anywhere. Start a party, bring the party to you. Why not?
Floppy hats. Floppy hats are always a solid summer must-have, and they're really cute on the beach.
Let me know in the comments below
What your summer must-haves are.
And make sure you subscribe to
17.